Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. May 5th, 2026. Today's important news includes SoftBank plans lithium-free batteries. Thiel backs ocean data centers. Enterprise AI joint ventures launch. ASX warns against AI overstatement. Roomba creator unveils AI pet. Now, let's start the main text.
1.
SoftBank Group is planning to develop large-scale data center batteries without using crucial metals like lithium and cobalt to support its expanding AI infrastructure. Partnering with South Korean startup Cosmos Lab, the production line is proposed to be built at a former Sharp LCD factory site near Osaka, integrating energy storage manufacturing into SoftBank's strategic layout. This initiative aims to address the massive power demands and backup energy needs of AI data centers while mitigating supply chain vulnerabilities associated with traditional battery materials. Expected to be operational within 5 years, this project highlights SoftBank's ambitious evolution into a fully integrated provider of AI infrastructure, encompassing both computing power and sustainable energy solutions.
2.
Palo Alto Networks plans to acquire Portkey, an AI application infrastructure startup backed by Elevation Capital, to bolster its enterprise-grade AI security capabilities. Portkey's core product is an AI gateway that acts as a unified control plane, enabling enterprises to manage, route, and monitor requests across various AI models. By integrating Portkey into its Prisma AIRS platform, Palo Alto Networks aims to provide critical runtime protection, policy enforcement, and visibility for autonomous AI agents. This acquisition highlights a significant industry shift from simple model content moderation towards comprehensive, infrastructure-level security and governance for complex AI deployments.
3.
Thiel is leading a $140 million Series B funding round for Panthalassa, a startup developing autonomous, wave-powered ocean data centers for AI computing. These floating nodes convert wave energy directly into electricity to power AI chips at sea, utilizing the surrounding ocean water for free and efficient cooling. Instead of transmitting power back to the terrestrial grid, the facilities will process AI inference tasks locally and relay the results back to land via satellite networks. Valued at nearly $1 billion, this radical infrastructure model seeks to bypass traditional land-based constraints like grid congestion and cooling costs to meet the booming demand for AI resources.
4.
TechCrunch has evaluated and ranked the current landscape of AI dictation apps, noting their significant evolution into highly accurate tools that understand context and automatically format text. The review highlights versatile mainstream options like WhisperFlow alongside privacy-focused alternatives such as Monologue and Willow, which process data locally to protect sensitive information. Products like SuperWhisper and VoiceTypr cater to diverse needs by offering multi-language support, offline capabilities, and various pricing models ranging from subscriptions to one-time purchases. Ultimately, the market is shifting from simple transcription services towards intelligent, contextual input layers designed to seamlessly integrate with specific professional workflows.
5.
DoorDash has introduced a comprehensive suite of AI tools designed to automate and accelerate merchant onboarding, content creation, and marketing operations. A new self-service onboarding feature automatically extracts details from existing merchant websites, reportedly improving activation speeds by over 35%. The platform also offers advanced image editing tools that allow restaurants to effortlessly enhance food photos and apply consistent visual styles without needing professional photography. Furthermore, these updates enable merchants to quickly generate personalized, direct-to-consumer ordering websites and automate promotional campaigns, transforming DoorDash into an underlying AI infrastructure provider.
6.
Both Anthropic and OpenAI are simultaneously establishing new joint ventures with private equity and asset management firms to offer comprehensive enterprise AI deployment services. Anthropic is partnering with firms like Blackstone and Goldman Sachs to create an independent entity focused on embedding the Claude model into the core workflows of mid-sized companies. Concurrently, OpenAI is raising billions for a similar, larger-scale project aimed at providing heavily customized AI integration and engineering transformations for corporate clients. These initiatives indicate that the competition among leading AI companies has shifted from simply selling APIs to providing hands-on, deeply integrated infrastructure solutions directly to enterprise networks.
7.
French cloud infrastructure startup Antimatter has launched an ambitious plan to challenge traditional hyperscalers by building a distributed, energy-centric AI inference network. Formed through the merger of 3 specialized companies, Antimatter deploys modular, micro-data centers directly alongside renewable energy sources to bypass grid connection delays. The company aims to operate 1,000 such micro-data centers by 2030, offering massive GPU capacity while satisfying regional data sovereignty and low latency requirements. By vertically integrating power acquisition, hardware deployment, and cloud orchestration, Antimatter is pioneering a neocloud model specifically tailored for the highly fragmented demands of AI inference.
8.
The Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, has issued a warning to listed companies, urging them not to overstate the impact of artificial intelligence on their business prospects or profitability. Regulators are concerned that vague or exaggerated AI narratives could mislead investors and artificially inflate stock prices in a market highly sensitive to AI trends. Because algorithmic trading systems rapidly process and react to corporate announcements, imprecise claims about unproven AI pilot programs can trigger unwarranted and volatile market movements. Consequently, companies are advised to clearly distinguish between early-stage AI visions and verifiable, quantifiable operational results to maintain compliance and market integrity.
9.
The open-source GitHub project TALOS V2 demonstrates how to implement Andrej Karpathy's micro-GPT model entirely as hardware logic on an FPGA. Unlike traditional setups that rely on CPUs or GPUs for inference, this project executes the entire transformer workflow directly within the hardware's RTL pathways without host intervention. Despite the model's small size of around 4,192 parameters, the system achieves an impressive generation speed of over 50,000 tokens per second. This educational initiative serves as a valuable architectural experiment, revealing the critical timing optimizations and structural bottlenecks involved in bringing neural networks completely down to the hardware level.
10.
Colin Engel, the co-founder of iRobot and pioneer of the Roomba, has launched a new startup called Familiar Machines and Magic to develop an AI-powered companion robot named Familiar. Designed to resemble a generalized, plush animal rather than a specific pet, Familiar communicates through physical gestures, expressions, and sounds rather than spoken language. Powered by advanced generative AI, the robot is capable of understanding context, remembering interactions, and adapting its behavior to build a continuous emotional connection with its users. This project represents a shift in consumer robotics from simple, task-oriented machines to complex, physical platforms aimed at providing long-term emotional support and companionship within the home. 11. Stanford bioengineer Emma Lundberg highlights how artificial intelligence is fundamentally transforming our understanding of cellular biology, proteins, and disease mechanisms. Her research emphasizes that a protein's function is deeply tied to its dynamic spatial location within a cell, a complex metric that AI can now efficiently map using massive imaging datasets. By integrating multiomics data and advanced AI pattern recognition, her team aims to move beyond static observations to build comprehensive and dynamic cellular models. This ultimate goal of simulating entire cellular behaviors virtually promises to revolutionize disease research and drug discovery by allowing scientists to accurately predict biological responses.